Okay, we're going to cut another log of soap. Let's start with it in here. This was hot processed a couple of days ago, and I'm just getting around to cutting it. Checking the insides. There we go. I colored it with, what did I color it with? I colored it with a colorant, but I also colored it with an herb, turmeric powder. Oh, I see here. It's a bit tall. Oh, look at that. Missed a whole chunk. Color. This bar, or this batch, actually also has beer in it. I made beer bread about 2 weeks ago, and I had this big can of beer that I wasn't able to utilize in the bread, so I saved it, and I used about a can's worth. It was about about 14 ounces of beer left, so I just put it in this batch. And I'm not sure how the turmeric is going to last as far as the colorant. But there we are with some colors. And it smells good. I scented it. I can't smell the beer. What did I scent it with? I scented it with, I think it was called Magnolia Blackberry from Steph's Micas and More. And it smells really nice, really nice. I'm going to give it a few days time to dry out. The swirls were okay. This was my first time making soap in over a year, I think. So, and hot process at that. So I was surprised to get any kind of swirlage going on. Especially when I use the beer and all that. So yeah, there we have it. Hot process soap. Done. Cut. Gonna let it dry a few days. Gonna let it dry a week or so. And cure out. It is ready to use right now. I did do a lather test on parts that I scraped from the soap, the Crockpot. So there's my hot process beer. What else? Beer, turmeric, and beer are the main items in this. The highlight items. Okay, there we have it. Hot process beer turmeric soap.